Suspect in triple murder shot dead by the police in Montego Bay. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Investigators from the Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOM, have commenced a probe into Friday night's killing of a man who allegedly engaged members of a police team in a shootout in St. James, the parish that is currently under a state of public emergency. The police have identified the deceased man as David Wong, who was reportedly a person of interest in last month's triple murder at the historic Shamsok Square in Montego Bay. Reports are that sometime about 7:30 p.m., a police team was on patrol on Princess Street in Montego Bay when Wong allegedly engaged the police in a shootout. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead after being shot by the police. Following the shooting, an illegal firearm was seized by the police. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.